And now let's talk about the COVID-19 situation in the region, which has taken a backseat in newsrooms amid spiraling Afghan situation. While India has reached another milestone of inoculating 610 million doses, with daily average reaching as high as 5 million, a ravaged Afghanistan, which already had a crippled health system, has witnessed an 80% weekly decline since it was seized by the Taliban. Meanwhile, in Sri Lanka, which is registering a record number of cases, cardboard coffins, an innovative invention replacing wooden casket, is hitting the headlines. Have a look.
A box factory in Dehiwala, Mount Lavinia city near capital Colombo is assembling a special product, cardboard coffins. Made out of recycled paper, which costs as low as 1/6 of even the cheapest wooden casket in the country, the cardboard coffin will also bring down the need of wood, thereby helping in environment conservation. Priyantha Sahabandhu, the local municipal councillor who came up with this idea, says that cardboard option has emerged as a viable option for the poor amid a record surge in cases in the country.
400ක් විතර මරණ ඇති වෙනවා සාමාන්‍ය මරණ. ඒ සඳහා පෙට්ටි 400ක් කියන්නේ ගස් 250 300ක් විතර දවසකට කපන්න ඕන වෙනවා මේ සඳහා. අන්න ඒ පරිසර විනාශය අවම කිරීම සඳහා concept එකක් විදියට මම 2019 වර්ෂයේ සෞඛ්‍ය කමිටුවට ඉදිරිපත් කළා.
So far, 350 cardboard coffins have been delivered since early 2020, and the factory is making another 150 ordered by the council. Meanwhile, India's drug regulator has granted emergency use approval for Zydus Cadila's COVID-19 vaccine, the world's first DNA shot against the coronavirus in adults and children aged 12 years and above. Experts say this is set to provide a further momentum to the world's largest vaccination program, which has already acquired a steady pace of immunizing nearly 5 million people every day. The country aims to completely immunize its entire adult population of around 944 million by December. The vaccine ZyCoV-D uses a section of genetic material from the virus that gives instructions as either DNA or RNA to make the specific protein that the immune system recognizes and responds to.
If you look at our event data, all our event data was post-April and May. And we know that in India, 99% of all COVID cases were driven by the Delta variant. Even if you look at our vaccine in terms of when we did the DNA analysis or the analysis of the variants for the breakthrough events that happened, all of them were the Delta variant. So I think for us, what we can safely say is that our efficacy against the Delta variant in the interim analysis is about 66%.
And while at front, Afghans are reeling under Taliban return, its vaccine program too has gone for a toss amid the chaos and killings. As per UNICEF, a United Nations agency, the vaccination rate, which was dismal even during a relatively stable Afghanistan, has suffered a major blow during Taliban takeover, with immunization going down by 80% in the week that followed the conquest. Even more concerning is the fact that the Johnson & Johnson vaccines that were delivered to Afghanistan under COVAX program will expire in a few weeks. And with Taliban's possible skepticism to vaccines, the looming troubles for Afghans are just going to multiply in coming days.